Broadcast Center in Los Angeles. This is KCAL 9 News at 7 a.m.
You know, since 1998, more than 80 hospitals have actually closed in California. Despite that fact, the need for healthcare continues to grow. Beverly Hospital in Montebello is expanding its emergency room to help meet that need. And joining us now is Beverly Hospital's Emergency Room Assistant Medical Director, Dr. Pranav Desai. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining us. So tell us about the expansion and what it's really going to mean for the community.
Okay, yeah, so we're expanding the emergency department. It's been over a year under construction, and this coming weekend we will be having our grand opening. We're opening up 15 new beds. Amongst that, there will be 2 state-of-the-art trauma resuscitation bays where we kind of can handle anything that comes through the doors. All of the new rooms will be monitored, private doors. It's state-of-the-art, pretty much doubling our capacity.
Wow.
Yeah.
Were there many times in the past when you all would have to send patients elsewhere if you had too many or if the trauma was too extreme?
Yeah, in general, you know, we're not a trauma center, but we try to stay ready for anything that comes through our doors. And, you know, the emergency departments pretty much throughout California and throughout the states generally get very crowded. And seeing an expansion is always welcome ear to any community, any group of doctors who are, you know, serving the population in that community.
Absolutely. So why do you think that so many ERs have been closing in the last 20 years?
Well, the reasons for that are multifactorial and different probably in every situation, but in general, Beverly Hospital is a nonprofit hospital system, so it's difficult. It's actually a standalone hospital. It's difficult to kind of stay financially viable, but we're doing the best that we can to increase our services for the community. So for us, it's a really big accomplishment. So.
Yeah, and it's turning 70 years old, and you all are having a big celebration on Saturday. Give me a little idea of what's going to be happening.
Exactly. Okay, so Saturday morning at 10 a.m., there's a free to the public, open to everybody health fair. There'll be vaccinations, there'll be health screenings starting at 10 a.m. So everyone in the Montebello, you know, area in general, the surrounding areas is welcome to come. See our emergency department, get free screenings, and you know, you can come bring your loved ones and obviously bring your children. And if they do want to bring their children for the vaccination, just try to bring their yellow card so we can document that and know where they are along in their screenings.
Wow, so really anyone who wants to come in and
more than welcome. Yeah, it's you know, we're a big nonprofit community hospital serving the Montebello area, so we're happy to, you know, welcome the community like we do every day, 24/7, 365. But at least this will be a little bit of a more of a celebratory situation where we, you know, open our arms.
Yeah, although I'm sure a lot of the kids who are getting those shots won't feel like it's much of a celebration.
Yeah,
but
I imagine they'll have lollipops as well.
Okay, something to treat them after those shots. All right, Doctor, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We certainly appreciate it. And if you missed any of this interview, you can watch it again by just going to our website, kcal9.com, and click Seen on TV.